A handful of listing photos can't tell you what it actually feels like to walk through a home, a hotel, or a venue. A 360-degree virtual tour fixes that visitors get to look around for themselves, right in their browser. Here's how to plan, shoot, edit, and publish one. No VR headset and no coding required. Start by mapping out the visitor's route. Figure out the purpose of the tour, then list every space people need to see for a home. That's the entrance, living room, kitchen, bedrooms, backyard, and so on. Mark a camera spot in each room and hallway along the natural walking path, so each view flows into the next. Next, pick your equipment. A dedicated 360 camera like a Ricoh Theta, Insta360, or GoPro Max gives you the smoothest results. If your platform supports 3D scanning with floor plans, a phone or tablet with LiDAR works well too. And if you want total control, a DSLR or mirrorless camera on a panoramic head with stitching software like PT GUI is the way to go. Before you shoot, prep the space. Turn on the lights, open the curtains, clear the clutter, and tuck away anything private. Remember, a 360 camera sees almost everything. Set your camera on a level tripod at about eye height and make sure it's not blocking a doorway or sitting somewhere a real visitor wouldn't stand. Now capture each spot. Step out of frame and take one 360 photo or scan per marked location, switching to HDR or high quality mode if the lighting's tricky. Check each shot before moving on. You want it sharp, level, and free of people. Once you've got your images, it's time to process them. Open your camera's app or a panorama editor, import the raw files, and clean up the stitching, horizon, exposure, and color. Erase any visible tripod parts if your tool allows it, double check the stitch lines for weird bends, then export at the resolution your tour platform wants. Now, bring it all together. Log into a virtual tour platform, start a new project, and upload your images or scan data. Arrange the scenes in the order guests will actually walk through, pick a starting view, and add hotspots, navigation ones on doorways and paths, info hotspots for extra details, plus a floor plan or map with clearly labeled rooms. Last step, polish it up. Adjust settings like scene thumbnails, full screen mode, rotation speed, and any branding you want. Then, preview the whole thing on a computer, phone, and tablet, clicking every hotspot and testing touch controls to make sure nothing's broken. Once it runs smoothly end to end, use the platform's tools to grab your share link or embed code. And that's it, a fully interactive tour that lets people explore a space without ever leaving their couch. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more guides like this one.